so strong love. When I was just 4 years old, I started school, along with other children. I didn't know, it was scary on the first day. But it got better, as the days went by. There was a boy in my class, who I straight away loved. I was only 4 years old, and I had found the one I wanted to be with forever. I had kept my crush on him a secret, as I didn't want him to find out day after day, week after week, month after month and year after year. I had this one big crush on him. I loved him more and more as time went by. I don't know why he was this attractive. Whenever I looked into his eyes, I saw love. Then, when I was about 10 years old, my friends started to fancy him. They told me about how much they loved him, but they didn't know I had a crush on him since I was 4. This crush was still a secret. Then at the end of year 6, the last year at primary school, it was time to decide what secondary school we wanted to attend. 4 schools had accepted me, and my crush was going to one of them. I begged and begged my mum to go to that school, and finally, I did. The first day of secondary school was also scary as the first day of primary. I didn't know anyone, except for my crush, 2 of his mates and only one of mine. I started to make friends quickly, and then, me and my crush got put into 2 different classes. I couldn't believe this. I wasn't in the same class as him. I guess it was a sign of moving on, because this relationship wasn't getting us anywhere. I began to see less of him, and more boys started to take his place. At first, I thought I wasn't doing the right thing by trying to forget him, but I knew it was for the best. Then I started going out with other boys, and hardly ever spoke to the boy I had loved since I was 4. Now I am still in that situation, when I hardly see him, and I am fancying other boys. But whenever I cross him by walk, look at him, think of him, I remember the times when I used to love him. He was my first love, and, although we are apart, we are together in my memory of 7 years of loving him, and we are together in my heart.